Welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie and this is Ral's Rising. In today's video, I am sharing with you the ultimate Christmas cookie collaboration brought to you from Ashley over at C&C Farms. Be sure to check her out, linked down below in this video's description. She is going to be doing a giveaway on December 20th, and then she's going to post the winners to her community page on December 21st. The key to entering this giveaway is to comment on each video located down below in this video's description. Every channel participating in this collaboration is bringing you a delicious cookie recipe. Each time you comment on and watch one of the videos in this collaboration, that is an entry into the giveaway. So make sure you comment on each video. Link down below in this video's description. I have the playlist for the ultimate Christmas cookie collaboration, as well as all the details for the giveaway. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to be making a gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate truffle recipe, and it is delicious. It's going to please everybody at your upcoming holiday parties because everybody can eat this unless, of course, they're allergic to cocoa or dates. It's a really good recipe. So check it out and give it a try. It's really easy. You can whip this up in less than a half hour. It takes some cooling time to set the chocolate, so keep that in mind, but it is a really quick and easy recipe and no baking required. Let's jump into it. Here is the recipe. Feel free to screenshot my chicken scratch, and then I just shorthanded it. Today we are going to make chocolate truffles. For this recipe we need 1 cup of dates pitted, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, we need 1/3 cup of dark chocolate chopped, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then the optional add-ins are you can do coconut flakes, you can do sea salt flakes, we can also flavor it with a bit of vanilla, you can use almond extract, you can use peppermint extract, you can use any flavorings that you have on hand to flavor it if you like. The first thing we are going to do is start out by softening our dates, and to do that we are going to add these to some boiling water and get them softened up. I'm going to slowly melt 1/4 cup of chopped chocolate with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And once this starts to melt, I'm going to stir it all together. Meanwhile, we are going to drain our dates and add them to our food processor, reserving the date water because we're going to be needing to add a few teaspoons to just make this mixture a little bit more smooth in just a moment. We're combining our cocoa powder, our cup of dates, the vanilla, and a pinch of salt to our food processor, and we are going to process this for 5 minutes. After a minute, we're going to scrape down the sides and start adding a teaspoon of the date water to this to get it to smooth out. I ended up needing to add 5 teaspoons of the date water from that bowl back there that you see, but you're just going to have to go off of the consistency of your mixture here. You want it softer than a cookie dough, so keep adding that and blending it until you get the correct consistency. We want this really nice and buttery smooth. And by the end of it, your consistency should be a little, like coffee dough or maybe a little bit softer. This is still a little bit thick. If you need it to firm up, you can put it in the fridge. I think this is going to be just fine to scoop out of here now and put onto my parchment paper. Then I'm going to stick it in the fridge and we are going to dip it into this chocolate that I have melting in this double boiler little mini crock pot. So I popped this in the fridge for a little while to chill. This is what it looks like now. So we are just going to take some scoops of it and drop them out on our parchment paper. And then we're gonna chill them again and dip them into our chocolate, our melted chocolate mixture that's back there.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But
okay, so this is how many balls we have. 13 balls with that recipe. These are like 1 tablespoon, I think, balls. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge and then we're gonna take them out, or the freezer, then we're gonna take them out, roll them up, and dunk them in the chocolate.
You can get really creative with these and you can cover them in chopped nuts. I'm going to be using some desiccated coconut, which is just basically shredded unsweetened coconut. I'm also going to be using some flaked sea salt as well as some crushed peppermint. So you can really get creative. You can put pop rocks on these, any type of candy you have that you want to crush up and put on them just to make them interesting. See what you have around your house. Some folks use, and I have actually used, freeze-dried fruit. So I've made a strawberry powder before, and I may have shared this before on my channel, but I did a strawberry powder on these as well as crushed pistachios because I wanted natural colored date balls, and so I've done that before in the past years ago, but on this particular round of these date balls I am going to be doing the peppermint candy and the desiccated coconut and sea salt.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else.
I had some chocolate bar and coconut oil mixture left over, and I have these little silicone molds. So I put some peppermint and coconut inside of the molds and then topped them off with the chocolate and made some fun little chocolate candies for the kids as well. Everybody in the family really enjoyed these. Even Aaron gave them a try.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. In my heart.
How is it?
Done.
Can I have one?
Dates and cocoa.
Oh my gosh, they feel good. Why are they so slippery?
And they,
don't know.
at first they taste like dark chocolate.
It's like a
How is
soft
Done,
chocolate explosion.
half like done.
You okay, honey? Do you need a cup of milk? Dessert first.
Mm-hmm.
How was it, Torsten?
Done.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
I hope you enjoyed making these chocolate truffles with me today. And thank you so much for hanging out with me for this ultimate Christmas cookie collaboration. Don't forget to watch the videos linked in the video's description and leave a comment for your chance to win the C&C Farms giveaway. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.